Elbit Systems demonstrates Legion 10 concept allowing autonomous combat operation of unmanned systems. Elbit Systems unveils its latest innovation, the Legion 10 concept. This technology emphasizes the autonomous combat operation of unmanned systems. Legion 10 is designed to work in a variety of terrains and situations. The demonstration showed how unmanned systems can operate autonomously while also integrating human intervention. Elbit's solution allows for enhanced situational awareness and more effective decision-making. Legion 10 incorporates state-of-the-art AI capabilities to process information swiftly and efficiently. The tech ensures that human soldiers are removed from high-risk areas, reducing casualties. While autonomous, Legion 10 also allows for human override, ensuring ethical and strategic considerations. The system is anticipated to revolutionize how the military engages in combat scenarios. The real-time integration of data from various sources stands out as a key feature of Legion 10. Elbit Systems believes this technology can reshape the future of warfare. As AI continues to play a significant role in defense, Legion 10 symbolizes the convergence of automation and strategy. The global defense community is observing the advancements of Legion 10 and its potential integration into military operations. Elbit Systems reaffirms its commitment to pushing the boundaries in military tech, with Legion 10 being its latest endeavor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up with latest AI news.